We are now here at the Computer Science and Engineering Department at the SAL Institute of Technology and Engineering Research. I have with me Dr. Subhash Desai, the head of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Welcome, sir. Sir, what is the kind of project work which the students at your department are involved into?
In fact, these projects are for the 2 semesters. One is in the pre-final, that is 7th sem, and then it is in the 8th semester. And most of them are placed in the industry, local and other places. And they do kind of a software development work, web designing. Some of them are also in the web services and likewise.
So it's a live project work which they are able to get?
Yes, live project. In the industry, they do the live project. Some of the students know they may not get that kind of an opportunity. So they work on the project which we assigned over here, which is beneficial to the institute.
So what kind of time they devote on this project work?
For the final term, that is 8 semester students, we have about 3 days they spent in the industry.
3 full days?
3 full days. And 3 days they come and learn the 3 subjects. Whereas in the 7th sem, that is in the pre-final, they go only for 2 days, and the rest of the days they are learning the advanced courses here.
So what is the general response from the industry about the quality of work which the students are able to deliver?
The industry is satisfied, and we are also satisfied.
Okay.
Because they give the certificate only after if they are happy with the projects.
So because allocating 2 days of working bench on their spaces is a big investment for the industry.
But again, it is a free manpower.
Okay.
So the students are working at no cost.
How could you strike up such an arrangement which is not available in other parts of the country?
In fact, there are so many parties, particularly there are TOPS and many other institutions are there. They send us an email and saying that your students are welcome us to our place to work with us on a project base. And we also have some kind of a placement officer. So she also invites for the placement. At the same time, we also talk about this kind of a ongoing projects, particularly for the final years.
So is it because of the ecosystem facilities at Ahmedabad that this kind of arrangement is never heard of, where students are going out of the campus for 3 days a week?
Okay. I can put in other way. Particularly the location advantage what we get from the institute is the biggest one, because we are within the city, and we can say that we are also outside the city, something like that. And the known brand of SAL is well known to many people, and we have very good students in fact. In fact, the intakes what we are taking is also of a high quality.
Is it because of the due project linkages which you have got at your department that the research level is not being able to take off very well?
Again, as I said, the research is not everyone's baby, or it is a cup of tea them, right? It is all depend upon the individual interest, right? I can perform much better in the research area, but may not be in the practical area. Likewise, each one will have the strengths and weaknesses. So they do themselves the SWOT analysis, and then they choose their career.
What is the distinctive direction of innovation at your department in the overall SAL framework?
Innovation, we have the kind of we are also a member of the Innovative Sankul of the GTU, and we already have recently a person, he's been assigned a portfolio only for this purpose, and he's closely working with good cost. So where we have particularly the civil engineering and the mechanical engineering, and there is one proposal also we have sent from our side for the rural development, and particularly the hospitalization facilities.
So here at SAL's Computer Science and Engineering Department, they really have a unique, innovative arrangement with the industry, where the students are made to work in the industry itself for 2 days a week in the 7th semester and 3 days a week in the final semester. This is something unique which SAL has been able to strike, and for other campuses to emulate upon. So the distinctive direction for innovation is really present at the Computer Science and Engineering Department, where the basic research and other stuff is yet to pick up. But considering the overall emphasis of the entire college management, we hope that the Computer Science and Engineering Department would also shine its laurels in the basic research and innovation fields as well.
And one more important feature is that GTU is giving lot of weightage on the project evaluation. In fact, 450 marks for their entire 8 semesters span.
It's all on project based.
Yeah, so project will carry about 450 marks, including the 7th and 8th.
Okay.
Yeah, so it is much more than their normal study of any other subjects.
So that reduces a lot of academic burden on the department.
No, in fact, it increases
Mhm.
because the students will not get any guidance from the industry people because they cannot spare time.
Okay.
So they totally depend on us. At the same time, they only provide the platform. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe the space, maybe the working computer. But most of our computer engineering students, they have their laptop, so they work on their own computer. So they don't rely on the facilities what they are providing. Only thing that what they expect from them is the working space there to sit there and work for them.
So are the faculty also directly involved in these projects, or?
Yes. In fact, his students will have the group of team. They are working on project, and one faculty member is assigned maybe 2 or 3 such team.
Okay.
Huh.
Okay. So they are also abreast with the problem definition and the key deliverables which they have to make.
Them as they are the internal guide, and the in the industry they are the external guide. Both have to get satisfied.
So I think this is a really fabulous arrangement which SAL has been able to do it under the larger guidance of GTU, which has put a greater emphasis on the project work, allocating some 450 marks for the project work per se.